Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto salad dressing. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need a good quality healthy fat, like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, as your base. Next, select an acid, such as apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice, to add tang and brightness. Finally, prepare your seasonings. Now, let's enhance the flavor and texture. Consider adding fresh or dried herbs, a pinch of garlic powder, or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for depth. To achieve a creamy, well-combined dressing, slowly whisk the oil into the acid or use a small blender. Always taste and adjust the seasonings until it's perfect for you. Once your delicious keto dressing is made, proper storage is key. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator where it will stay fresh for about 5 days. Don't be afraid to get creative with variations. Try different types of oils, like walnut oil, or explore various vinegars. A touch of keto-friendly sweetener can also balance flavors. Here's a quick example. Combine 1/4 cup of olive oil with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, along with salt and pepper to taste. This simple vinaigrette is a fantastic starting point. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals and resources. Happy dressing making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.